So let me now share screen and we can get started on today's lesson. Okay, why is it? Wait, yeah. All right. So I already have a quick poll on when are your oral, so we'll have oral practice also later. Okay. So as you guys know the house rules, whenever you have a question, raise your hand, use that function and unmute yourself before you speak. Now, if you need to go toilet, let me know. Do not just disappear from the screen. And I repeat the importance of leaving your camera on throughout the session. So if you cannot turn your camera on, there's no reason, you have to let me know. Okay. Right. So let's see. Today we're going to learn these three things. Okay, number one, vocabulary growth. Number two, editing. Number three would be oral conversations. So those of you having your orals next week, I guess it's a good time for you to practice. Okay, so go and get your full marks for oral. Okay, let's start. We will start with vocabulary close first. Now, there might be some words here that you can add inside your portal. So please take note of this and then you can do that as well. Okay, hang on, yeah. Where is the stable thing? Oh, okay, never mind lah. Your oral pass already, but your PSLE is not passed yet, right? So you still have to practice, guys. Okay, let's see. Now, vocabulary close. Okay, so we will start with this question. One first, okay. You guys take 30 seconds to read this passage, this paragraph here, and then we'll find the answer to question one together with the clues, of course. So take 30 seconds to read this and then think of what the answer would be. Okay, can you guys put in the chat? Thank you very much for those of you who have already put in the chat your answer for question number one. Okay, the rest of you, after you finish reading, put your answer for question number one in the chat slowly, okay? We'll find the contextual clues as well. Yes, is the worksheet for this week. Okay, I think most of you already got it. Okay, so let's look at question number one together. And of course, we need to find the contextual clues to confirm our answers. One day, a fox became very hungry, so he went to search for some food. Okay, a lot of you wrote it as D, which is correct. So D is the answer. D. So search for some food. Okay, basically search for, then hungry and food. So of course, it's the contextual clues there. Okay, so you look for some food. And then question number two, can you take 30 seconds and then type in your answers in the chat? Number two only, yeah. We do one by one, okay? Okay, I think most of you did put in already in the chat. Now finally, okay, he searched high and low, but he couldn't find something he could eat. Now search high and low here. This one, search high and low. This part here, search high and low. This is search everywhere. This one you can use for your compositions, okay? Like if you want to, you lost something and then you search everywhere, you cannot find, so that's called search high and low. But he couldn't find something that he could eat. Finally, as his stomach rumbled, that means like so hungry, you know that sound that your stomach make, he stumbled upon a farmer's wall. Now, stumble, like most of you have written, the answer is B. Stumble is basically something that you don't plan. You don't plan to find it. Okay, suddenly it just happened. So chance upon, which is this one, chance upon. Okay, at the top of, oh, sorry. Now can you put in your answer for number 3 first? 30 seconds. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, this is, yeah, lesson 28, correct. Okay, never mind, we just do from here first. It's okay, we do slowly. Don't worry for those of you who sing it for the first time or something. Just do slowly. I said so many D already. Okay, so at the top of the wall, he saw the biggest, juiciest grapes he had ever seen. They had rich purple color, telling the fox they were ready to be eaten. So this one, the answer is D, correct. Okay, violet color is violet is purple. Okay. Now, just for curiosity's sake, guys, can you tell me in the group chat, right, like what you guys are typing here? What color is amber? What color is amber color? Like, tell me which shade of color is it? Okay, yeah, like yes, it's like orange, it's like yellowish orange. Okay, yes, correct. Between yellow and orange. So it's orangey, it's yellowish as well. Okay, just like the traffic light, you know, we got like 3 colors. The yellow color is actually amber color. Now teal, okay, so it's like yellowish orange, right? Which we already kind of discussed. Okay, so it's like yellow or orange in between it lah, basically. Then teal, what color do you think is teal? Deep bluish greenish color. Well, I'm going to March to celebrate my birthday. Where's March? Where's that? Suzanne, I don't know where is that. Okay, so basically light blue. So it's like, yes, it's like bluish color. Like blue, light green. Okay. Blue, light green color. So that's teal. Okay. And then what about crimson? What color is crimson, guys? Deep red color. Jaden's shirt color. Oh, okay, okay. Right. Deep red. Okay. So basically it's like reddish, purplish, like red and purple. Okay. Now it's quite fun to know the different colors, you see, apart from the rainbow colors so that you can describe it properly. Scary red. Yeah, it's okay, no worries, no worries. I don't know where it's March though. Okay, so these are just some colors, okay? Yeah, which you guys would know. Girls, later when you all grow up, right? Later you all what lipstick color, right? You want, I'm telling you the lipstick color, not all red, no. Got so different shades of red. You can ask your mothers about this. What color, what shade is this? Is it crimson or is it maroon or is it burgundy? Then you can learn the different shade of red. Okay, so there's different shades in each color wheel. Very, very interesting. You like dark red. Me too. You see my color, my hijab color is dark red. Yeah. Okay. So who likes dark red? Same. So I'm always in this kind of colors also. Okay. Very nice. Hey, how come we become like makeup session? Girls, remember all these colors? Okay, boys, let me want the boys. It's not just the normal colors, like red, blue, green. There's different type. You see, amber, teal, crimson, violet. It's not the same. Telling you, it's not the same. Okay, so yeah, violet is bluish purplish color. Yeah, nice one. Okay, back to this. Telling the fox they were ready to be eaten. Number 4. What do you think is the answer for 4? Yeah, eaten is consumed. Okay, yes. Open up what, swallow what, touch. So basically, eaten is when you eat something. So that's consumed. Okay, A. I think, yeah, we all know that it is a consume. Okay, eaten. So definitely the rest are all with that, not in the context at all. Last one, guys. 30 seconds to read and then type in your answers in the chat. It's easy. Okay, so let's see whether it's easy. To reach the grapes, the fox had to jump high in the air. Okay, when you jump, oh yeah, the answer is there already. Oh yes, you guys are right. So the answer is C. When you jump, right? Yes, you cannot skip. No, you skip. It's like like you do skipping rope. Twirl is when you go round and round. Leap is also means basically to have a small uh leap is basically to jump, and heave is to lift something. Okay, so we all got the answer to be C, which we all got correct. Nice one. Okay, but let's just finish reading this, yeah? As he jumped, he opened his mouth to catch the grapes, but he missed. The fox tried again, but missed yet again. He tried a few more times, but kept failing. Finally, the fox decided it was time to give up and go home. While he walked away, he muttered, I'm sure the grapes were sour anyway. Now, do you notice there's a pun intended here? He give up, right? Then he go home, then he say, oh, maybe the grapes are sour. So basically, he himself is being a sour grape. Do anyone know the meaning of sour grape? This is an figurative language. It's like an idiom. This story is like basically to share with us. Annoying? No. Anybody can guess what's the meaning of sour grape? Not it. I mean, of course, the grapes taste sour, but as a person, if I say, oh, my friend is a sour grape, my teacher always use so what does it mean, Jekai? Those of you try, everybody try and tell me what's the meaning of sour grape. This is an idiom. Let's see who can guess correctly. Don't understand. Okay, no problem. But maybe you all can guess. Try to guess what is the meaning. Just from this paragraph here, right? This paragraph here that we just have read, this one already tell us the meaning of sour cream. Let's see whether anybody can guess or not. Person is angry because they have not achieved. Please don't Google it lah. If anybody Google it, don't put it. Acting mainly after disappointment, easy to give up. Okay, you see this story, I just give you a clue. So this fox, he wants to eat the grape. He keep jumping and jumping, but he never gets it. So he's like, alah, never mind lah, it's okay lah, no need to eat lah this grape. Anyway, they'll be sour, I don't want to eat it. But actually, initially, he want to have the grapes, right? But then he thinks because he cannot reach it, it's okay, it's going to be sour. So basically, sour grape is somebody who, I think one of you already mentioned the answer here. Rain, you got the answer. The person is angry because they have not got or achieved something that they wanted. You are right on this. Okay. So basically, if let's say I work hard for something and I never get it, maybe that thing is really not worth it for not worth my time lah. It's okay lah. Basically, like something like sore loser like that. Okay, sour grape. Yeah, it's like it's okay lah. It's not worth it lah. Maybe that thing is not going to be good. Okay, so that's the meaning of sour grape. Now later, before we go for the break, right, I need you guys to really tell me what's the meaning of sour grape. So try to write down the meaning somewhere or try to remember it. Okay. Okay, so we will, as usual, we'll have a quick toilet break at about 3:45. But before that, I will ask you what is sour grape. If you guys don't know the meaning, then I'll become a sour grape and not let you all go for break. If you remember, if you know what it means. Okay. Now let's look at the next part. Okay, so we are done with vocab cloze. Now we will look at editing. Editing. Okay, now it has either a spelling. I will put it as SP or grammar, just G. Okay, and you try to put in for question number 6 till 9. Everybody put in the chat first, read this and put in the chat the answer for 6 to 9. Oh, you like editing already, very good. Okay, everybody, you take 1.5 minutes, 1.5 minutes to do this. So write your answers in the chat.